Hey guys, we're Gillian and Jeremy. After spending a year and a half exploring New Zealand, we have returned home to southeast Queensland to start our new journey. Converting our 2001 Mitsubishi Rosa from a school bus into a home on wheels. Join us, our 2 children Jed and Zakaya, and our 2 pups Simba and Kiwi as we show the highs and lows of making a house out of a bus.
G'day guys, and welcome into another episode from our beautiful kitchen that I'm so in love with. We finished doing this last week, so if you haven't seen that one, click up here. Other than that, welcome in. This week Jeremy is away for work until I think it's Friday, so I'm going to try and get a little bit done without him. So I'm going to carpet the driver's seat area, put the driver's seat back in. I won't do the passenger side because we've got a little bit of work to do over that side, still removing a few things. Our friend Sam's coming over. He is going to get the kids' seats in, put a plate under them, I think a check plate, and he's going to get the diesel tank back in so we can get this thing off the jacks. Once that's done, if Jeremy gets home early enough, fingers crossed he does, we're going to get a start on the bathroom. But anyway, I'm going to get a wriggle on.
Doesn't really matter what we do. Just trust that the universe is right. When you start shining it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. This is the good life. This is the good life.
All the way. I think it's finally come time for me to do something that I have been putting off for months.
Rising sun hits the sky, see it open before us. Take these hopes, hold them high. Every step takes you closer. The stars will show us. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking.
Distant shores, every anticipation, getting lost, we'll explore with no hesitation. Oh, 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 oh.
all the carpet's in. I just have to obviously like screw those parts down, but it's done, it's good, and we can get in and get it started after all the work Sam's done. Look who's home, just in time, eh? How's your week?
Good. Nah, it's been lovely. My ass is sore though.
Big week with the boys.
It was a big week with the boys. Nah, I think it's my lower back. But never let the truth get in the way of a good story, I say. Anyway, I got a present for you. I'll swing it around. Hey Kiwi! Hello! Hey Sim! Hey Gilly, how are you? What are you laughing about?
Just got the limp on.
Yeah. What's this? Good?
What's that?
This is the little, it's only a wee one, just 120 litre.
This side? We're going this side.
Oh, I don't know. Is that up the right way?
Yep.
That's the mob that made it anyway, up the sunny coast. It's a tidy little tank. I just got to figure out how it's going to work. But is there another hole looking at you that end?
Yeah, there's one
I think
here.
that's the breather. So this will be the intake up there.
Uh-huh.
That'll be the out.
Mhm.
And that'll be a breather or something along those lines. Do you want to open that back door for me so I can just throw it in? Simba, I just got here, mate.
Is he in already?
He's in the back, yeah. Oh, back. And that's where it'll sit. I'll just put a jockey strap over the top, one over that way, and that should sit pretty well, I reckon. All right, let's get plumbing. How good's this? I just got back from working away for the week, doing some floor systems for it was a micro brewery up in Toowoomba actually, so come up pretty awesome. I'll get some photos of it actually, and I'll stick it up right about now. But yeah, looking good. Anyway, Zakaya is into it. She's already punched out probably an acre's worth. By the time you do that in a whole bloody loop, it's gotten away from us. But she's just doing an amazing job. Loves it. And Jed's just chewing on half a watermelon with his gumboots on. Better go and say a quick g'day to him actually. But yeah, good to see you all. How's everyone's week been? Drop a little message down below for us. Hey buddy.
Hi.
How's your week been?
Good.
Just smashing out a bit of watermelon.
Look at all the mangoes. They're mostly all gone.
Yeah, the mangoes, they're well and truly gone. I'll go and say g'day to my daughter real quick. Hey, bub. Smashing it. Anyway, let's go have a look at this bus. Jill reckons that she's got a surprise for me too. Wonder what it could be. Hope she showered. What are you doing?
Getting the stubby cooler out of the
Getting the-
airflow thing.
Getting the stubby cooler out of the air filter.
You can't
Please
put that
explain.
in. Well, yeah, see, we don't know if it happened on the trip up when it was bought, or if they just didn't have it in there when we got it, but some big part of the air thing's missing, so...
Some big part of the air thing. So we've got the outer case, but we don't have the actual air filter or the lid for it. So some big thing. But
So when it's parked, we just put a stubby cooler in it just...
stop the wasps and that. So we just got the stubby cooler off, and Jill's telling me that that's just part one of the surprise. What could possibly be next?
Well, it starts!
It
What
starts.
did it just start?
Alright,
And
well,
by we, I mean Sam.
so have you turned the security mechanism on?
People will know how to steal it now.
Yeah. Or will they? That's only half the battle. Alright. Oh, well, I'll cut that. Alright, here you go. So, is there any secrets?
Just turn it on. What do you reckon? Give my foot a bit of a jiggle?
Just give your foot a bit of a jiggle there. No, is that as tight as you go?
Oh, the back door lock might be. Hey, first shot. I told ya.
How quick is that?
That's better than before, isn't it?
Wow.
That's easier than before we.
Why? How? Because all we did was put the bolts in the seats.
Because I worked on the engine while you wanted here.
Do you know, actually that little bloody $7 part we got, the
That'll be
little
it.
valve, that could have helped too, the breather valve.
A little glow in the dark looking thing.
Yeah. But how good's that?
Thanks, Sam.
Thank you, Sam. Yeah.
I told him the other day, I said, once we hit about 500,000 to 1 million subscribers and we can afford it, we're going to bring him on the road as our mechanic.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and actually, another bit of a surprise is the trailer is on the go. So if I can sneak over to Pete, our mate that's making it, I might be able to sneak over there and get a quick couple of seconds of footage of that to show you the beginning of the trailer. Isn't everything just, it's all happening here at the MCG.
The bus starts.
Yeah, the bus starts, the kitchen's sitting there. Sakai's mowing the lawn for me. We've got a water tank. I don't know what to do next. But anyway, that'll do for that.
Now it's going to take 5 minutes to turn off.
But yeah, I hope Jill's looked after you this week. I'm about to go and edit some of it, so I'm about to see what she got up to. But I'm loving this. I've got flash new carpet down here from my Tootsies. My seat's back in, so I don't have to sit on a milk crate. And the gear stick's all bloody screwed back in too. So third is no longer second. There we go. Awesome. Righto, I better go and do some mowing and get my girl out of the sun. We will see you over at the trailer.
So guys, this is the trailer that Jeremy was telling you about earlier. We're getting it made up to go behind the bus, obviously. It's being made specifically to fit all of Jeremy's music stuff, some bikes, a boat on top eventually, all of that. It's a one-piece chassis with 45mm axle and 6 stud hubs, if that makes sense to everybody. Is that what I was meant to say, Pete? That's right, that's right. So yeah, it's going to be sick once it's done. He's making it all up for us and we can't wait till it's finished. So Pete's making that for us. He also did the gas box for us. He what's the word for that, Pete? Folded it up. Folded it up, fabricated. Yeah. He fabricated the gas box for us, but yeah, it's going to be awesome and we can't wait until it's done and to show you guys because it's going to look mint. This will be our last one, I think, before Christmas. So I hope everybody has a safe holidays. Enjoy the time with your family and have a good New Year if we don't see you before then.